Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple calculator programming using JavaFx. So let's make make it as step by step. First go to the views package. This is the package view. Select the view package new. Here I am going to select the file which is a fxml. This file I am going to name it as calculator cal 4. You have to write like this. This is the efficient way to put the name of the program in JavaFX. You have to write this camel case, capital here, simple capital, right? Cal form. You have to whatever name you have given, you have to at the end you have to give as form, right? So click OK. Now we are this is a calculator design program. Okay, the view. Okay, it will be done successfully. So after that, we have to create a controller. Here it has the controller. Yes, a controller. You have to create the controller in the controller package. Right click here, new Java class. You have to create cal form controller. You have to create like this. Press enter key on your keyboard. Your controller has been created. We have to make the link over here. So how to make the link? You have to make the link here. Controller dot cal form controller. You have to make the link like this, right? This is how we have to make the link, right? Now let's back to our view. Here where we have do the designs. So if you are not installed the scenes builder in your machine, you must install scenes builder. I already taught how to install the scenes builder, how to get it back to your Intel J idea. So here simply right click, your open in scenes builder. It will open up the scenes builder in your project, right? It's open up. Now it will be open up here, right? Now it's open up successfully. It's a blank. Now the calculator page is blank. First I'm going to make it as this frame. This is not a frame in Java. This is Java sewing application. It's called as frame. So here we have called as anchor pen. This is called as anchor pen, right? It's called as anchor pen. You have to make it little bit small. This is okay for me, right? Simple screen. Right now first what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the label, drag one label. This label I'm going to name it as calculator and press enter key. The name has been changed. Now your font I'm going to change it as font size I'm going to change just little bit bigger. Okay, calculator we are change just little bit bigger, right? Perfect. Color I'm going to change it as red. Font style I'm going to change it as bold. That's it. That's the thing you have to do it. Right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the simple. We have to create as a label, another label. You have to drag and drop. Oh, we no need the label also. If you click, like you can drag the label. So at the moment I have deleted the label. We no need the label. We have a text. You have to import the text field. Here text field. You drag it. The text field you can see here. We have a lot of option for the calculator program. Very simple. Here, if you drag the text field, you have to go to the property. You have a prompt text. Here you have to type the. You have to write like enter number one. Enter number one. Here we don't need the label. So here it will be the text field also. Here it will be the promote text will be shown, right? So the same thing you have to again we have to import another text field. This also enter the number two. Enter number two. Number two. Press enter key. Perfect. Now I need one button. So you have type the library button. Drag and drop. We need 4 buttons. So one. This is the one button. Plus. Press enter key. Here this one with bold. bold. So here this one bold. Let's increase size a little bit bigger. Right, perfect. Now the color we would change it as, we would change the color here as background color yellow. Yellow, right. Now select this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one you have to change it as text, we have to change it as minus. Perfect. Now let's, this one you have to write like this. Here we have to put it like this. Simply you have to write align it like this. The same thing. Uh, another you have to make the copy. Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. This button I want to change the sign as this one multiplication. After that division. Control C to copy, Control V. This one should be the division. If you need, you have to the symbol you can change it, right? So this is for okay. This and little bit this one that is little bit bigger. Then only it will be uh, look nice, right? Now we have to put it like this. Simple. This simple calculator, right? This is the design. So we have to give the name for identify the text fields. Select this one. You have to name this one as a name field. Here we haven't given here. Go to the code. Just this is a code. Code here ID here. Txt, you have to write like num1. This is the format you have to write. This one, select this one, txt number 2, press enter key. Okay, if you enter, then only the text would be changed, otherwise it won't be changed. Okay, first the button, select the button, on click event. If you need, you can give the ID, otherwise you can, we no need the ID at the moment, we are only the on click. On click event, you must click the event. Okay, if you click, you have to name it. So this one should be btn plus, you have to name like this, press enter key. This one also btn minus, press enter key. This one should be btn sub sb. This one should be btn div div. That's it, we gave the name. Okay, we gave the name successfully. Now what I'm going to first, if you done this one, you can see the output as a preview. It sure look like this. It's output. Okay, right? We haven't given any codes here. Let's we see the output over here, right? Slide. Perfect. Right? This is perfect. We have done the perfect one. Right. Now what I'm going to do is let's save. You have to make the save changes save. Okay, you must save the. Okay, after done the whole thing, you must save. After that, close the window. Very simple. Here all your design will be, it will be passing to your IntelliJ IDEA. Now here, this all the method is blank. It asks to import them. First plus, select the plus, click here, select the bulb symbol, click on the arrow. It asks to create the method which is a cal form controller. Which on click method it asks to create btn plus. If you click on this one, that method has been created on the controller class. So here it has been created on the controller class successfully. Now what I'm going to do is you have to write here you have to write, what is this? Okay, sorry. What I'm going to do is here I'm going to do the thing is here, this is the class. Okay, public class. This is a class. All right. Okay, this class is here. Now here first I'm going to use public, right, text field. So to import the text field num1, right? So same thing I just copied, Control V to paste here. This one number 2. After that we have to implement another thing is a button. This one should be a button, public button. Button. So button we don't need them. Only these two things. Yeah, right. Now here, after that what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to, first I'm going to do it here. So right here, t num1. So you write num1 dot, you write num1, you write like this. Simply you write the name. You have given the name as txt num1. This is also txt number. This is the name you gave when you create the text fields, right? This name, right? The same name you have to write here. Txt num1 dot gettext, right? So it gettext bulk simple introduce a variable. It is introduced as a string. You have to change it as a int. It one should be the number one. So if it is not error, you have to convert them as an integer. So you have to write an integer dot parse int. You have to write like this. Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. This number 2, here also number 2. Now we successfully done. We have created two variables. We assign to the particular text box. What is the value you type on the particular text field? The value will be assigned to the variable. The value will be assigned to the variable. Right? Now I have created two text fields assigned to the variable successfully. Now I am going to add those values. So how to add two values? You have to create another variable dot equal num1 plus num2, num1 plus num2. Both are calculated and passing the variable which is a dot. Now I am going to print out the values. So how to print out the values? We have to use the in JavaFx program. You have to write like this. This one you have to import them. Alert. Okay, you have to write like this. You have to write like the alert. You have to write. This one should be not option J option. If you like, you can write as J option pan. In JavaFX, they introduced the alert. Okay, alert. You have to create the object alert, new alert. Okay, alert type first thing is null, none. Now here we have to create the icon. Okay, this is an information. So here, paste it over here. You can see here, this variable you have to call it here alert, set type, alert information. Here we have to write alert set content. We have to, what is the total? It will assign to the total to over here. Get the total. We have to convert them string value of and show the alert. That's the thing you have to do, right? After that we have done the plus sign. Now I'm going to go to here, cal form, minus also select here. You have to import the method. So after that we have to go here. We have to import the another one is a sub, between sub. This one also we have to create the action event. So this one div also we have to create the action event. Right? We have created successfully. Now what you are going to do is the same thing. You just copy it, paste it over here inside this event. Make it as this time minus. Here we have to make it as here as subtraction, division. This one you have to implement it, right? So after that we have to make this one as a cal form. This code form I am going to open up first time. So it's build that. Right here it's open up successfully. Right now let's type the 56 plus. So why it's not working? Let's look at the code. Why it's not working mean the problem is the text field. So here we have create the name. So here while I have creating the text field, I'm going to give the ID as this. So here this one should be the change. That's the problem. So you have to simply we have to remove them, and you have to go simply go to the fxml file. You click here. Here you can see the bulb symbol. You have to import them. It imported. Here also you have to go and this one click on this one. You have to import them. Then it's simple rather than we have created. Now you have to copy this one and paste here. Right? That's the thing. We have created we have a name error. That's why it won't work. Right now let's copy and paste it here. Right. Okay. Now here we have to create the error. That's the error. Right now let's execute the program again. Now it's work. Now here it's working. It's working. Here divide one. It's working perfectly. This is the alert box in JavaFX. Perfect. I hope you guys understood things well. I'll see you in my next lecture. Thank you.